this video, we're going to work on some more half-angle identities. So we're going to say that sine of 22.5 degrees, 22.5 degrees is half of something. That something is 45 degrees. So we already know 22.5 degrees is in quadrant 1, so this is going to be a positive square root 1 minus cosine of 45 degrees over 2, 1 minus root 2 over 2 over 2, multiplied by 2 over 2 is 2 minus root 2 over 2 times 2 is 4 inside the square root sign, 2 comes out. That's my answer. If I have cosine of 22.5 degrees, then I'm going to have root 1 plus cosine of 45 degrees over 2. And the sign is going to change, and this is going to be 1 plus root 2 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 2 is 2 plus root 2 over 2. Now let's look at sine of 75 degrees. 75 degrees is still in quadrant 1, but it's half of 150 degrees. So sine is positive, 1 minus cosine of 150 over 2. 150, the 30-degree reference angle, 1 root 3, 2. So 1 minus negative root 3 over 2 over 2. 2 plus root 3 over 4. 2 plus root 3 all over a big 2. Let's look at cosine of 75 degrees. Now, most everything is the same. Just this is going to be plus. So this is going to be like that. Tangent of 75 degrees is going to be sine over cosine. So tangent of 75 degrees is going to be like so. I get a big square root of 2 plus root 3 over 2 minus root 3. I'm going to rationalize that denominator there to make this a big square root of 4 minus 3. This is going to be 4 plus 4 root 3 plus 3. It's going to be 7 plus 4 root 3 over 1. It's root 7 plus 4 root 3. Just remember, tangent is always sine over cosine, so if I've already found sine and cosine, I can find the ratio of those. Let's clear that. Sine of 5 pi over 12 is going to be less than pi over 2. So we're still in quadrant 1. It's going to be positive. And this is half of 5 pi over 6. It's there. So 1 negative root 3, 2. This can be a positive. 1 minus the cosine over 2. 2 plus root 3 over 4. 2 plus root 3 all over 2. So that's 37. 38 is going to be cosine. The only sign that changes is that becomes plus and negative root 3 over 2 over 2. So this is 2 minus root 3 over 4. It's root 2 minus root 3 all over 2. We're going to have a sine, cosine, and tangent of 165 degrees here. I'm going to try and give myself some space. So 165 is half of 330. So our theta that we're looking at here is 30-degree reference angle here. 165 is over here in quadrant 2. So the sine value is going to be positive. And this is going to be 1 minus root 3 over 2 over 2. We're going to multiply by 2 over 2 on the inside. 2 minus root 3 over 4 is 2 minus root 3 over 2, like that. Cosine here is going to be negative in that quadrant. So cosine theta over 2 is going to be negative root 1 plus root 3 over 2 is a negative 2 plus root 3 over 4 is a negative 2 plus root 3 all over 2. And I'm going to take those two values that I just calculated. I have sine divided by cosine. Be a negative root 2 minus root 3 over 2 plus root 3 multiplied by 2 minus root 3 over 2 minus root 3 and give us a negative 4 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is minus 4 root 3 plus 3 over 4 minus 3. It's going to give us a negative root 7 minus 4 root 3 over 1 is a negative big root 7 minus 4 root 3. And that's it. come back and solve these last few problems here in our next video.